Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden lighting fixtures. Wooden lighting fixtures offers a blend of rustic charm and modern elegance, infusing spaces with warmth, character, and a touch of natural beauty. Crafted from various types of wood, these fixtures captivate with their unique textures, earthy tones, and versatile designs, becoming focal points that illuminate and enhance the ambience of any room. The allure of wooden lighting fixtures lies in their ability to harmonize with diverse interior styles, from cozy cabins to contemporary lofts. Their versatility stems from the wide array of wood species available, each imparting distinct aesthetics and characteristics. Oak, known for its durability and prominent grain patterns, exudes a timeless appeal, while maple, with its smooth texture and light color, exudes a more modern and minimalist vibe. Other popular choices like walnut, cherry, and birch offer their unique hues and grains, allowing for a diverse selection to suit various design preferences. In the realm of design, wooden fixtures showcase exquisite craftsmanship and creativity. Pendant lights, with their suspended elegance, are a popular choice, offering a stunning focal point above dining tables or in entryways. The graceful curves of wooden chandelier add sophistication to living spaces, elevating the ambiance and casting enchanting patterns across walls. Floor and table lamps, crafted from wood, exude a cozy charm, casting gentle glows that create inviting nooks for relaxation and reading. Beyond aesthetics, wooden lighting fixtures offer an eco-friendly option, aligning with the growing trend of sustainability in design. Utilizing natural, renewable materials, these fixtures resonate with environmentally conscious consumers, seeking products that minimize their carbon footprint. Additionally, wood's inherent durability ensures longevity, contributing to a more sustainable approach by reducing the need for frequent replacements. One of the captivating aspects of wooden fixtures is their adaptability to customization. Artisans and designers often integrate innovative techniques such as laser cutting or hand carving to create intricate patterns and shapes in the wood, resulting in unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. Whether it's geometric patterns, organic silhouettes, or minimalist designs, the versatility of wood allows for endless creative possibilities, making each fixture a work of art. Maintenance of wooden lighting fixtures is relatively straightforward, emphasizing their practical appeal. Regular dusting and occasional polishing help preserve the natural luster of the wood, ensuring that these fixtures maintain their allure for years to come. Additionally, advancements in lighting technology enable the integration of energy-efficient LED bulbs into these fixtures, combining sustainability with functionality. Wooden lighting fixtures evoke a sense of connection to nature, bringing the outdoors inside and infusing spaces with a comforting ambiance. They complement various design elements, from exposed brick walls to sleek contemporary furniture, effortlessly blending into diverse interior schemes. Whether in residential homes, restaurants, or boutique hotels, these fixtures serve as captivating focal points, evoking a sense of harmony and sophistication. Wooden lighting fixtures encapsulate the perfect synergy between nature-inspired aesthetics, functional design, and sustainability. From their exquisite craftsmanship to their ability to seamlessly integrate into diverse interiors, these fixtures illuminate spaces with a timeless allure. Their enduring beauty, eco-friendliness, and versatility continues to captivate design enthusiasts, making wooden lighting fixtures a cherished choice in interior decor. I hope you will inspire to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you'd like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.